Hello guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 7. So Fury wants me here with him to pet, so this is where I'll be. So today I'm literally just going to be knitting again, of course. Let me show you guys my progress so far. I wonder if this bag was heavy. It had my iPad in it. Okay, so you guys know I already split for the sleeves, but I also changed colors. So I don't know if I told you guys, but I know I did say the colors, but so I'm going to do the collar like gray, and then the ribbings like gray, and then I have like 3 different color greens in between. So I started off with the lightest green, then I went to the next darkest, and then I went to the darkest, but it's curled right now so you can't really tell. But this is the last green, and I'm gonna make that like bigger than this green, so it's gonna take up most of the body, and then I'll probably do this green again and then transition back to the light green if I have like room, and then I'll do my ribbon gray. And yeah, so I split for the sleeves, so this is how it looks. This is the sleeve hole, and then this is the start of the long body that's going to go all the way down. But let me put it against my body so you guys can see how it looks. So it's like this so far, and I have like all this to go. But that's gonna be easy because after I split for the sleeves, like, yeah, it takes long kind of for the body, but at least I don't have to worry about splitting anything again. I just go around and around and around, change colors if I need to, and then do my ribbing. So that's literally super easy, and I'm really excited to just work on that for the rest of the time and then start the sleeves. So that's what I'm gonna be doing for today. Like I did yesterday, my vlogs have been super short, just how I like it. And yeah, so let's just get it. Okay guys, it is advent calendar time. I always get excited for this time of the day because I get to finally see the new colors of this advent calendar. So yesterday the color was blue with more white, which I guessed. So I'm really excited to see what day 7 has and the colors that's there. And then remember yesterday that there was like a sliver of like pink, a splash of pink somewhere in the day 6 hank. So I'm really excited to see like whether that was intentional or, you know, maybe it was a little splashy mistake. Who knows? I think it wasn't a mistake. I think she was on to something. But let's open day 7. Ooh, I already ripped it. Let's open day 7 and see what we have. This is really hard to open today. Okay, guys. I'm so nervous. I am so nervous. It is turning white. It is turning white. Okay. I guessed that it would be turning white because yesterday's one was like super, it wasn't like the day 5 was blue, day 6 was a little blue, more white, and then day 7 is white and blue, white blue. But this is so pretty. I had a feeling it's turning on the whiter side, and I think it's gonna turn white and then transition, and I think the white is going to have a transition phase. Wait, okay guys, okay, hold on, I have to show you guys this first. So this is day 7. Beautiful, right? And remember how I just mentioned about that little splash of pink? So I literally just saw this pink right here. Come on, camera. Okay, you guys see it right here, that pinkish color. So listen, here's my guess. My guess is that it's going to turn white. It's going to start turning more white, of course, because I mean it barely even has blue anymore. So it's going to turn more white, and then this pink is going to start taking over. It's going to start taking over, and then we're gonna have like a cool pinky transition that's gonna turn into another color. But my guess is that it's definitely turning pink because I literally see more splashes of that little pink color. Come on. Okay, you guys see the splashes of that color? It's turning. It's literally turning. Come on, hello. Okay, am I back? Okay, yeah. It's turning pink, guys. It's turning pink or red, but I'm guessing more pink because it looks more pink to me than red. Yeah, it's definitely turning pink, but this is such a beautiful color. And let me show you guys the transition that we have so far. Where's my 7th? Oh, the transition that we have so far with the skeins. So I will position it here for you guys to see. And I'm not outside today because it was raining and it's cold, so no outside shot today, but this room has nice light so you guys can see these perfectly. So this is what we have so far. The beautiful transition. This is still definitely my favorite. I don't know what about it. It's just so beautiful. And blue, like, is so pretty. So it's going purple to blue, and then I think it's going to transition to white. And then I think the white is going to have pink in it and then transition to pink. That's my guess. I literally don't know because I haven't seen any of these hanks yet. I only have 7 that I've seen so far, which are the 7 you get it. But I'm super excited to see the rest. I really want to know that. I want to know like if I'm right, because I've been right so far. I mean, it's kind of been easy to guess the transition because it's literally fading, but like now I really don't know, so my guess can literally be so off. So I'm really excited to see like whether I'm in a ballpark or whether I'm in a parking lot. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and since you guys enjoyed it so much, be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post another video. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.